Do you want to know how you can log out of your Melbet account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Melbet account. Go ahead and search for melbet.in on your browser and make sure that you are logged in. Now for you to log out of your account, you need to hover around your profile, which is over here, and then click on Account Settings. After you click on Account Settings, scroll a bit down, and if it's not down, you can see over here on the top, you can see Logout over here. Go ahead and click Logout and click Logout again. And in a while, you can notice that you have been logged out of your Melbet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.